Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Quickly, I'm going to show you a powerful face toner with green tea. So green tea can help to destroy acne causing bacteria. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that helps reduce redness and inflammation that can often be caused by acne. Green tea, especially when consumed, the tea also helps, it helps to treat hormonal imbalances that can often lead to acne. A lot of women complain to me about acne and pimples on their face, and even giving them facial toners. I also accompany this with green tea, advise them to drink a lot of green tea and a lot of water because this helps for women with hormonal imbalances. So green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help neutralizes damage causing free radical, protecting your skin cells and keeping them healthy. This helps prevent aging. The antioxidants in green tea also helps heal scars and marks that are often left behind by acne. After having acne, these old acne scars that are on the face. When you use this toner, it will help clear those. I'm also a victim of acne scars. I had acne some time back, which I treated, and those acne scars are still there. Little acne scars are still on my face, and I prefer to use the organic method. So I've been using this green tea toner, and it has been tremendous on my face. So guys, that's a quick tip for you. Drinking a lot of green tea helps to clear pimples, acne, blackheads, whatever you call it, on the face. Your face will become smoother, brighter. So guys, another very powerful ingredient we're going to be using is the salicylic powder. Salicylic powder reduces the size of pimples. It helps to dry out pimples, shrink it, and also blackheads. This is a very powerful acne fighting ingredient. It works by reducing the number of skin cells within pores, which helps prevent pimples from forming. So if you want to have a fresh face, I always advise my friends to always use either a toner or a cleanser to cleanse their face before applying their moisturizing face cream on their face. So salicylic powder can be mixed in. You can mix this in rose water. You can also mix this with witch hazel and double boil this in very low heat to dissolve your salicylic powder. Salicylic powder can be tricky sometimes. You need time to allow it to dissolve. So make sure you double boil on low heat. Either you using your rose water, or you can also use warm water or witch hazel to dissolve your salicylic powder. So for the first step, I have my salicylic powder ready. And for this whole process, I'm going to be mixing the salicylic powder into my already brewed green tea. Here is my already brewed green tea. I've allowed this to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to be taking the tea label off. Then I'm going to be turning my salicylic powder into my brewed green tea. I'm just going to be scooping some in there. Turn this mixture. This is a very powerful mixture. This treatment actually helps tone your face. It doesn't only cure acne and pimples, but it will help tone your face. But this, as I said earlier, this treatment will be more effective if you also consume green tea regularly. So I'm going to be adding also into this mixture apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, as we all know, helps balance the pH level of the skin. It also helps kill bacteria and remove excess dirt, grease, and makeup while also dissolving dead skin. That's it, guys. Our facial toner is ready. So I'm just going to be turning this mixture into 100 ml container. Before moisturizing or applying your facial cream, I always advise to use a face toner or a face cleanser. This helps, especially if you use makeup. You need to remove those makeup. Washing it out just with soap doesn't entirely remove those makeup on your face, and if left to accumulate over time, it will now begin to develop pimples or acne on the face. So it's very important you use a facial cleanser or a toner to remove those excess dirt, traces of oil and makeup, helping to correct and balance the pH of your skin and help control acne. So guys, this is very important. If you've not yet added a facial cleanser or a facial toner to your facial regimen, then I think it's very important that you start doing so to keep a glowing face, a flawless face. Simply use rose water or witch hazel as your facial toner. Simply use a cotton ball to apply on your face. This is a very powerful one. If you've been suffering from pimples, serious acne, use this and drink at least 2 cups of green tea daily and thank me later. So my beautiful people, if you love this video and you find it helpful and you like me to make more of these videos, then click on the red button below to subscribe to this channel. Give it a like, share also to your friends and family, and do not forget to hit on the notification bell so you could be updated every time I make a new video.
Purebliss, so natural, everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss, very nice and so natural.